How did I get 4,000 hours of watch time in 28 days with only 4 viral videos in my second channel? It's not a secret and it's not impossible at all. It's easy, and you can also get it in a month or less. And I'm here to give you the steps that I did during this month to get 4,000 hours watch time and fulfill the conditions of YouTube to activate the profit and start earning a monthly income. But remember that you must have determination and patience, because without these two, you will not get anything in your life. Come on, let's go see how I made those numbers. Chapter 1, Niche. It is the content or specialty in which you will start, and there are many nests, and you are confused to choose which niche is the best and has a popularity and interaction from the viewers. So I brought you the best niches that you can start in and have a popularity with examples of channels that offer this niche, from which you can take ideas and apply them with your unique touch. The first niche is political news and events, which is always renewable and has events and conflicts that happen every day and concern all people around the world. And trending in this area can bring you millions of views. The recent trends that occurred in this area were related to Vice President Kamala Harris and former President Donald Trump, where both candidates have been actively campaigning, with Trump focusing on aggressive immigration policies and Harris making a strong push to secure rural voters, as well as an assassination attempt on former President Trump, and much more. Another area where a lot of trending happens is talking about the personal lives of celebrities, especially soccer players. The topics of the videos are endless: how they live, where they live, how much they earn, how much money they make, etc. And the trends that occurred in this field recently, which is the player Lamine Yamal in the UEFA Nations League, was the top trend on YouTube, and before him, the Moroccan player Achraf Hakimi and the story of his money and his breakup, and recently Cristiano Ronaldo's YouTube channel got 60 million followers in less than a month. These trends got millions of views and other people earned thousands of dollars from these trends. There are other topics, such as topics related to artificial intelligence, and I expect great success in the coming years for artificial intelligence. So what are you waiting for to get started? Don't be lazy and start earning thousands of dollars from YouTube right now. Chapter 2, Retention. The retention is the duration of the viewer's viewing of your video, and this is a very important reason in increasing your viewing hours. So here you must focus on the duration of each clip in your video, and I prefer not to exceed 15 seconds for each clip so that the viewer does not get bored at the beginning of the video and exit. You must make your video have movements or attention-grabbing shots, attractive colors, lights, and transitions to enjoy the viewer's eye at the beginning until at least half of the clip. But do not increase the effects too much so that the viewer does not get annoyed. Be creative, be simple, and be clear so that the viewer does not get lost from the main idea of the video. Chapter 3, Thumbnail. The video thumbnail plays an essential role for your video to appear in YouTube's recommendations. You have to make the thumbnail relevant to the video in a way that is clear, pleasing to the eye, and simple at the same time. The thumbnail must be timely, because if the thumbnail is not professional and attractive, no one will click on the video. Have your own personalized touch. Don't copy anyone. Make the colors of the thumbnail correct and be clear. The video talks about any and use a good and clear font and coordinate the colors, because the thumbnail has to work as hard as you did in the video. Set simple and attractive backgrounds. If you want to put a character on the occasion, if you put your face or the face of any character, it is preferable that you smooth the face. If you notice Mr. Best's thumbnails, you will find that he softens the face and lightens it and puts things in the background that have something to do with the video. For example, in Mr. Best's train, you put the thumbnail of a train, and the first time you play the video, in the first 2 seconds the train is moving in the video. Understand the game. Keep it simple and different at the same time. Chapter 4, Text and Hashtags. Text is just as essential as a thumbnail, and the two go hand in hand. The text should be appealing to the viewer's eye and arouse his curiosity, because when he sees the thumbnail, he looks at the text to understand the video. You have to make it interesting and mysterious to attract the viewer's curiosity. Take your time and search for content creators who provide the same content as yours. Look at their text and thumbnails, collect ideas and summarize them to reach the best result, but with your own touch. For example, we will assume that your content is about lifestyle and you are an athlete and you have lost weight 10 kilos in a month. You will write in the text how I dropped 10 kg in a month with this simple routine. You see how you made the title chic because viewers will want to know how you lost all this weight in 1 month. So you will talk that it varies from one person to another and according to the intensity of the exercise. And this is how you put a simple and easy chic title. But she wants some research and information gathering around you. As for the hashtags, they are not very important, but they contribute little. And you did not lose anything if you put them as well. But note that hashtags must be related to your content and do not go out of it with keywords. A tip, the keywords in the description should be similar to the written text of the video because it helps in search engines. So you have reached the end of the video. I hope the video was useful and motivated you to start your channel now. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive the latest useful videos. Peace.